Fills my heart with great pleasure and pride as I see images which is continuously uploaded on the ISRO's website taken from Chandrayaan-3. You can see a portion of Chandrayaan-3 landing site which is taken after the landing. Here it is the image that is taken from the lunar far side. It is taken from the lander hazard detection avoidance camera. This camera is fitted in Chandrayaan-3. And here specifically Boss L is visible. What is Boss L? Boss L एक ऐसा crater है which is there on the northeast side of the moon, and it is said that it is around 47 kilometers wide. Diameter इसका 47 kilometer है. Very rare, and the first time इसकी image was taken by Apollo mission. Now here you can also see Haiyan. Haiyan is again a crater which has a diameter of 87 kilometers, which is taken again from LHDAC, which is on board Chandrayaan-3. Here you can see the Bell Watch. Now this is a volcanic complex which is available on the side of the moon, and it is again, the image was taken from the Apollo mission, and it is said that it is one of the very fertile soils are available in this site. So we'll be exploring this as well. Now this is the image which was taken by the Pragyan of the Vikram. Vikram is our lander and the Pragyan is the rover. So this is the image of the Vikram which has been taken by the Pragyan, which shows the chest A and the ILSA. Now this is again the lander horizontal velocity camera taking the descent of Chandrayaan-3. As it was coming down, the images that was captured is visible here. Again a photo of Chandrayaan mission, from the Chandrayaan mission. Here we can see the Vikram. This is the image of the Vikram which is visible here. Now this is the path traced by Chandrayaan-3 rover as it roamed around on the surface of the moon. Now this is again the image which is taken from Vikram, where the landers has just landed and the rover has started moving on the surface of the moon. This is the image of the rover taken from the Vikram. Now this is the lander location. We have landed at the 69 degrees south and 32 degree east of the Chandrayaan. Now this image has been taken of Chandrayaan-3 from the Chandrayaan-2 orbiter. Ladies and gentlemen, hope to see more images, hope to see of success of this mission, and we expect and we believe that this mission will be a game changer for India and will be a game changer for the cosmic world and experiments across the cosmic world. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.